guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my winter 2022. Oh my goodness, a dog just... I just felt something and it was a little dog. Hello! Yeah, welcome to my winter 2022 camping vlog. Well, I guess we should call this glamping. Today I am in Gangwondo, which is one of the best places in Korea for glamping slash camping. If you're someone like me who is not the best at, you know, pitching a tent and all that kind of stuff, glamping is the thing that you should definitely do. And Korea has tons of really good glamping sites. This is my second time glamping, I think, here. This spot is so cute. It's about 4 p.m. We just got here. Oh, this dog, you guys, hello. You like my patting? Before it gets dark, I just wanted to show you around the campground because the views here are absolutely gorgeous. And they even have a swimming pool, which is obviously drained right now because it is winter. But I feel like in the summer, this is probably such a good place for a little hot weather getaway. Come on, come on. Let's check the temperature.
Tonight. That's
-11. Here's our little home. Right, so let me go ahead and give you guys a quick little tour. Obviously, we're gonna do some barbecue later. This place actually comes with a heater inside, which is gonna be really nice for later. And it's kitchen. And then over here is the very cute, humble little abode. There's actually a bed upstairs as well as downstairs. Another camping essential you're gonna need if you go camping or glamping in the winter. Definitely try out these body warmers. I just tried these for the first time the other day and they actually magically work really, really well. You just stick them to your clothes and then it'll just warm up, and they work for up to 12 hours, which is awesome. So we are getting ready to make some dinner. I wanted to explain to you guys what we're eating and why. Obviously there's so many different kinds of food you can barbecue. You can just do vegetarian, pork barbecue, seafood barbecue. We decided to do mostly beef barbecue because where we are right now, Hoengseong, they are like especially known for having some of the best beef in Korea. So this is 1++. Right? Yeah, I don't know anything about beef, to be honest, guys, but I guess 1++ is the really good kind.
Best.
Yes, best to get here.
Special.
Then we also got some other stuff, including ramen, shrimp. We got some other seafood to make some soup later. And then our drink of choice tonight is just some simple beer. Even though we're in this tented area and there's the heater behind me, it's still really, really cold in here, but being right next to the grill feels amazing. It's like so warm.
Oh,
Look at that.
oh, fire.
That's supposed to happen?
This is a lot of fat. 부으시는 와, 미쳤다 이거.
So good. A little sauce on there.
기름이 잘 흐르네.
That looks so good. Okay.
Ja, good stuff.
So good. Maybe we could give some to the animals.
Animals. Animals. Rap, 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 rap.
Cages fall.
Oh, I like this knife.
Yeah, wow.
와, 추워가지고 바로 차가워지게 돼. Good.
Perfect. Alright, so we just watched a couple shows, brushed our teeth, and I'm just gonna go check the outside out, see if we can spot any stars. Oh! This is cute! Oh, it's cute out here. Look at all the stars, guys. Kind of fun being the only people here because it's really quiet, and also I don't have to worry about waking anyone up. Because it's a little bit late right now. Hey, this is so pretty. I feel like this type of place is nice like all year. Every season. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Good morning, everyone. So I just woke up and I'm getting ready to head out. I wish I was staying here for more than one night because it's just such like a calming, healing area, especially because there's nobody here. But we are getting ready to head out and we're gonna explore more of Gangwon-do today. I'm filming a whole other Gangwon-do vlog, so it won't be featured in this video, but be on the lookout. I'm gonna miss this cute little bathroom. Do you see how close I am to the ceiling? It's very small. So we're all packed up and it is another very, very cold day. So I'm thinking I'm gonna wear a really, really fluffy, warm scarf today.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, there's frost. Alright guys, so that wraps it up for our winter 2022 camping video. It was really, really fun. I think because we packed warm clothes, we had all of our warm accessories, we stayed really warm the whole time. Would you come camping again in the winter?
Of course. You wanna come next week?
Next week? I'm okay. We can wait a little longer. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and let me know where do you want to see me visit in Korea next. There's still so many places that we haven't been, so let us know. But until then, I love you guys and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.
Bye bye.